This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Wynden Holman. Gorgeous 4 bedrooms and 3 bath home west / 3 car garage on large fenced-in lot. Open floor plan with a great design. Top quality kitchen has walk-in pantry and eating bar. Warm Brazilian cherry floors, slab granite, and slate tiles throughout. Walking distance to several schools. Large primary suite west / attached spa-like bath. 2 bedrooms and home office on main, 2 bedrooms west / full bath up. Fully fenced, sprinkler system, and sunny corner lot. Fantastic home, great floor plan, nice finishes and desirable neighborhood. For more information, review the details below.